Hey, it's Saturday, and you know I normally do my all different type jobs on weekends. This job here is to show you that there's more money in small stumps, I'll be very honest with you, than big stumps. I know some guys are going to argue back, blah, 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 but even with a small machine, a SG40, let's say 38 horse or below, or even a 252, this job would be a very easy job. Take you a little longer than me, but still it'd be a one-day job. This job I priced it, I'll be quite honest with you, I based it off of 3 hours. My machine produces over 300 per hour, clock hour on the machine. So I knew I'd be here about 3 hours or less. I've already been here, I'll turn it around and show you in a minute. I've only been here maybe 30 minutes. The tree company's running behind. All my job was to do is grind and go, grind and go. And they're supposed to do the cleanup. But since it's my son and I've been raking over each one of these. And this is what we're doing. Let me turn them around. This is what we're doing. We're doing a bunch of pines. There's my foot. I wear a size 11 and a half. So this is a good 6-inch stump. And there's 6 to 12-inch stumps here. That's what they are, pines. There's 42 or 43 of them here. There may be 4 of them that are 24 inches. Okay, so we've already done, I think, 10, oh no, 12 already. So we won't even though I priced this job at 3 hours, actually I priced, be honest with you, I priced it a little bit over 3 hours. I priced it at 3.5 hours. A little padding there in case I want to sit down or get fuel or whatever. But I think we'll be done with this job. I'll let you know at the end of this video. We're at a big car dealership, and so we're here early in the morning doing this before, car dealerships are dead early in the morning. So this is like 6:30, 7-ish already. And we popped everything that way already. So it's 11, and he's already popped this one, that one. He's got one more over there. And then we'll start going around the dealership around there. So this is to tell you that you can make good money. You don't, if you have a small machine, please don't take on the real big stumps. Find somebody with a big grinder, pass that work on to him, or get a commish, pass it to him and get a commish from him for the job. You're the finder. Don't kill yourself out there, all right? Please. And it'll also kill your machine. This is what your machine was. The smaller machines are designed for. Bam, bam, bam. Sharp teeth. You're in and out. All right? And another thing. These stumps, if you're going to a person's house, let's say the one I showed you over there, or I'll show you one here, or this one here is probably 10, 11 inches. There are no $50 stumps anymore. Unless, let's say you were here and you went neighborhood and it's right across the street and they're that size. Yeah, I could see, going bam, 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 a couple of houses and do some $50 stumps. I could see that. But driving out just to do one stump for 50 bucks, there are no $50 stumps anymore. All right? In order to go to rent a machine, find out what the rental cost of your machine is, because that's what a customer is going to do. Oh, I'll just do it myself. Well, by the time they go rent the machine, then they got to wash the machine to return it. Okay? Then most likely the rental company is going to definitely look at the teeth. They go, oh, you damaged some teeth. The teeth were already dull. So that's another thing. If you're renting a machine, take a picture of the teeth before you start. Put it on your phone and show you the time, like on a watch or whatever. This is what the teeth looked like when I started or picked it up. All right? So be aware of that. Customers will try that out, so you need to know what the price is in your area is to rent the machine. So there are no $50 stumps anymore. I still do for just contractors. If I come across something like this, and they allow me to route myself. So if I'm routing myself and going around and I'm going to be, you know, a mile from here, a mile from there, I'll do some $65 stumps for them. That's my minimum for a little bitty stuff. But everything else is $100 or more. Now your area, you guys might say 200, 150. My brother, 150. You know, I don't care if it's crepe myrtle or this 10-inch stump, 150. You know, to a homeowner, yeah, it's gone up to $100 minimum for me. Contractors, 65, 75 for this little stuff or whatever. And then it's gone up on my bigger stuff too. But I like doing the small stuff because there's more money in small stuff. All right. Anyway, we got a new truck. We got a cab over. It's made by Isuzu, but sold by Chevy. It's a WT 4500. Show you a whole video on it. Actually, you'll probably see that video before this video. I'll make that and you'll see it. I really love it, and I'll come back to you on this one when we're done with the job and show you how long we've been here. Hey, we finished the dealership, and you know Saturdays we try to make it a short day. It took us 2 hours to do that job. All right, so 42 stumps, 2 hours, bid it at 3.5 hours. Very profitable job. Tree company was late responding to get there to help and clean up, but they did it all. I raked in the small ones, big deal. We are at another job, so it's a very profitable day for us, but it's a quick one for another tree company. It was actually about 3 miles away. We're doing 2 crabapple stumps. I know some of you laugh or whatever, but they're just small. They're 20 inches. I'm charging the tree company about $150 because it was that close, and we'll call it a day. All right, so like I said, sometimes there's more money in smaller stumps, less wear and tear, and especially in the summertime when it gets really hot. You know, machines don't like it, and I don't like it. Anyway, have a blessed day. It's just, I try to show you different avenues of, you know, big jobs, commercial jobs, small jobs on the channel. So anyway, God bless you. See you on the next one.